In this lesson, we will study servo. A servo motor is a device based on an electronic motor controlled through the feedback principle. Feedback allows you to follow the angular position of the shaft in a certain range, from 0 to 180 degrees and back. Servo motors are widely used to simulate mechanical movements, like those of robotic mechanical arms, airplane wings, locks, and many more. Servo consists of a small motor, the rotation from which, through the reduction gear, is transmitted to the output shaft, and the shaft is connected to a potentiometer, which provides control over the angle of rotation. The servo also has 3 pins, dark brown for ground, red for power, and orange for signal. Before you start connecting, you should know that the servo motor is a powerful consumer of energy, so it is not recommended to take power for it from Arduino. The servo motor requires an external power source. In our case, module number 1 is the power supply, and it will be the power source for the servo and Arduino. Both of them must have a common minus, that is GND, so that with the help of GND and a logical pin, the Arduino can tell the servo the angle of rotation. Now let's move on to practice. Let's try to learn how to control the servo. First, connect Arduino to the power supply module. You can use the traditional method, connect directly to module number 1. Another, more convenient method is to connect the power supply to the number 8 Arduino power module. For this, we connect VIN to VOUT plus and GND to GND. Now, connect the servo motor to the power supply module. For that, connect the central red wire to 5V and connect the dark brown wire to GND. Also, we connect the last orange wire to the number 9 pin of Arduino. The connection is ready. Now, open the Arduino program and write the commands. Include the servo library. Declare servo variable servo1. Attach the servo to analog output 9. Set rotation angle to 5 degrees. Wait 2 seconds. Set rotation angle to 90 degrees. Wait 2 seconds. Set rotation angle to 175 degrees. Wait 2 seconds. Now run the code. And so, what do we see? Every 2 seconds, the servo motor changes the angle of the shaft. Now let's learn how to control the servo motor with the potentiometer. For that, we connect 2 extreme contacts, one to 5V Arduino and the second we connect to the GND contact. It does not matter which of the extreme contacts we connect. The central contact is connected to the analog pin A0. The connection is ready. Now open the Arduino program and write the command. Include the servo library. Pin to connect the servo. Analog input A0 to connect potentiometer. Variable for storing potentiometer values. Variable for storing servo rotation values. Connect servo variable to pin servo. Read potentiometer data. Scale the value to the interval from 0 to 180. Rotate the servo by the received angle. Pause to wait for servo to turn. Now let's run the code. So What do we see? We can change the direction of the servo motor with a potentiometer. Congratulations! You have learned all the basic principles of operation of servo and have put them into practice.